Good morning students. I.K.MISHRA, your mathematics teacher. Once again I continue your class. Students, in previous video I discussed about parallel lines. That means that was your chapter 12 of R.S.Aggarwal book and exercise 12 is already completed. Students, today I will start here a new chapter named angles and their measurements. Students, here first of all you have to know about angle. What is an angle? How will you find, how will you write, how will you draw an angle, and what do you mean by angles? What is the, how will you measure the angle? Students, in this video only I discussed about angle, basic concept of angle, and only two things, angles and interior or exterior of angles. Here mainly two terms will be discussed in this video. So students, carefully understand, carefully watch this video and understand each term carefully. Students, I suggest you, if you are new on this channel, then like and subscribe and share to your friends. Students, now start this exercise, this chapter. So students, here first of all know what is an angle. Here, what is an angle? Students, when two rays start from same initial point and goes in different direction, then form an angle. Students, that means the definition of angle is two rays with same initial point is form an angle. Students, suppose here a point is given and one ray goes in this direction, here one ray, and another ray is this. Here two rays starting from same initial point, both rays having same initial point, that means same end point. So students, this figure, here a figure is formed. This figure is known as an angle. Students, suppose here a starting point, initial point, end point is O. Its name is O, and this direction is X and this direction is Y. That means students, here an angle is formed whose name is angle XOY or BIOX. Here its name, here angle XOY or YOX. Here XOY or YOX. Here students, always know how will you write the name of an angle. First of all, you understand what is an angle. Angle means students, angle means figure formed by two rays with same initial point. Students, here I draw a ray and another ray is drawn at this. So students, both ray have no common initial point, same initial point. So here not an angle is formed, but in this figure, here both ray having same initial point, same end point. So it's an angle. This figure is an angle. Students, for writing the name of angle, we write here. Students, understand, here in angle there are three parts. Here one part is this point, and here in an angle, suppose here, first of all understand, this point is known as vertex. Here point, initial point, common initial point is known as vertex. Here students, this is known as vertex, and students, these here this ray and this ray are known as arm. Here arm. That means students, note here in an angle parts is vertex and arms. Students, vertex and arms. So students, how many vertex and how many arms in an angle? So students, observe, in an angle, suppose you draw an angle. Here it's an angle. This is the vertex. Suppose here name of vertex is O, and here A, and here B. So students, here vertex is A, O. One vertex. Here vertex name, vertex is O. Here vertex is O, and arms be OA and OB. OA and OB are two arms. So students, in an angle there are two arms and one vertex. And when you have to write the name of the angle, then use vertex in middle and put the initial and last the points on arm. Here students, points on arm is first here X and here Y. Point X and point Y are on the arms of the angle, and O is at the vertex. So students, here suppose you have to write the name of this and name of this. Here name of this be, always notice you can write here written as angle XOY, or you can write angle YOX. Always notice vertex be always in middle. Or when you have to write the name of angle, then use vertex in the middle and write the points on the arm after that and previous. So students, here always notice one thing, angle is denoted by a symbol. Here I write here angle symbol used for angle is here like capital L. Here this symbol is used for angle. This represent angle. So when you have to write the name of this angle, then you can write here this symbol angle. This is read as angle. Here read as angle. This symbol is read as angle. So this will be written angle XOY. When you put this symbol, then you have not to write the word angle. Here it means angle, and it will be read as XOY, or here angle YOX. Students, angle is only denoted by its vertex letter. So students, you can write or angle O. Here this angle can be represented by three ways. One, angle XOY, second, angle YOX, or only angle O. Only angle O can you write for this. Suppose students, here you have to write the name of this angle. Here observe, O is the vertex and A and B are the points on the arms. Here arms be OA and OB. Students, when you have to write the name, here write the name of angles. Angle is here vertex be in middle, so you can write angle AOB or angle BOA. AOB and angle BOA represent the same line. So when you have to write the name of angles, then you can write any method, any way, angle AOB or angle BOA. Not write for one angle both type. Only one type you can use for representing the angle. Clear students? I think you understand this thing. How will you write the name of angle? Clear? Now proceed to know what is interior or exterior of an angle. Now students, know about interior and exterior of an angle. Students, I think you already understand what is an angle, how will you write the name of angles. parts of the angle. So students, now know interior and exterior. As its name, interior, that means the point, the part which lies in the angle. That means which part is in the angle and which part is out the angle. Students, here I write an angle. Here O, A and B. Students, it's an angle. Here this is an angle. Here its arm is OA and OB and its name is, how will you write its name? Angle AOB, or you can write angle BOA. Any one name can you write here. Angle AOB or angle BOA. Friends, which is interior? Suppose a point is here. Here, here point P, Q, R, S. These points is within the line, angles. These two arms lies between these two arms. Here AB, OB and OA. So students, here points P, Q, R, S are the interior points of angle AOB. Angle AOB interior points be P, Q, R, S. But students, here I denote a point. Here I denote a point C. I denote point as C, X. Here I denote Y. Here I denote D. Here 4 points denoted. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here points C, X, D and Y. Y are exterior points of an angle AOB. Angle AOB's exterior points, that means that points lies outside the angle. Here this point by D, X, A lies outside the angle. So it is called exterior. And which point lies within the angle? That means in the angle. Here T, Q, R, S, all of these points. That means any point, suppose here point, this is produced, that means this point, suppose its name is K. This point K is also interior. That means the region, the points lies in between the two arms of the angle. Here these points lies between the two arms of the line. So these are called interior, and both points lies outside the angles are known as exterior of the angle. Students, you have a question, sir, a point is on the arm. What is this? Students, point that is lies on the angle, parts of angle, that means lies on the arm, is known as points lies on the angle. Here students, I draw an angle, its name XAY. Its name is angle XAY. Name of angle is XY, or you can write YAX. Students, suppose a point here P, here a point Q. Students, here P and Q lies on its arm. Students, here P and Q lies on its arms. So students, P point points P and Q are lies on angle XAY. Clear friends? That point which lies on the arms of the angle is known as points lies on the angle. Clear friends? Here main parts of this exercise, this video lecture is what is an angle and interior and exterior, and what do you mean by lies the points on angle. Students, I think you have already understand all of this explained term. Students, if any problem, then immediately contact me. Students, my number is given on your description box. So students, I think you will complete your exercise 3A after complete watching, after complete explaining this video lecture. I hope you will complete your exercise. Now students, I solve here some questions of your exercise 13A, which is based on all of these points. So students, let's now start. Students, here I write a question. How many angles are formed in each of the figure given below? Name them, and you have to write the name of the angles. First of all, observe in figure 1. Here in this figure, here how many angles? Here 1 angle, 2 angle and 3 angle. Students, here you can also write the angle. When you have to represent an angle, then you have to write represent 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can write angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Or students, here name of the angle is, here a name of angle 1 is angle BAC or CAB. So here first angle A, here 3 angles, total 1 number angle, one angle, number 1 angle is angle BAC, or you can write this angle as angle CAB. That means this angle and or this angle represent angle 1. Clear friends? Now here this is equal to angle 1. Now here 2 number, here 2 number angle 2, that means angle 2 represent angle AB. This angle is represented, that means vertex be written in middle. So ABC. So angle ABC, or you can write in middle B, so CBA. That means angle CBA, and this is equal to angle 2. This represent angle 2. Now students, here 3 number angle 3, that means third number. Here this name is ACB or angle BCA. So angle ACB or angle BCA, and that means this angle B, angle 3. So 3 angles in this. Now students, here in this figure how many angles? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Here 4 angles, and name of these 4 angles be 1 number. Angle 1's name is angle angle DAB. 2 numbers, this ABC, angle ABC. 3 numbers, this, that is BCD, and students 4 number CDA, and 4 number angle CDA. Students, you can write this name or DAB or BAD or CBA or DCB or ADC. Or students, always observe when you write anyway, but observe vertex be in always middle. In this or this vertex be in middle A. here in this vertex we always in middle. So students, you can write this way or the name of the angles. Clear students? Now here in this figure, students observe this angle is angle 1. Suppose this angle is angle 2. Students, when this line is drawn, then one angle is here 3 and here 4, here 5 and here 6. Here total 6 angle is formed. One more angle also we form. Here one angle is totally this that known as 7, and one angle is this here and here. That means here total 8 angle is formed. Students, write the name of all the 8 angles. Here one number angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to, you can write it name DAB. Angle DAB. Angle 2 means this, and you can write BCD or DCB. So angle write BCD. Clear students? Now here 3 number angle ABD. Angle 3 equal to angle ABD. 4 number angle is here 4 number, that means CBD. Angle 4 is equal to angle CBD. Angle 5 here 5 means this angle, and this angle can be written CDB. Angle 5 is equal to angle CBD. CDB. Angle CDB. Angle 6 means students ADB. Angle 6 equal to angle ADB. Angle 7 is equal to, when you have to write angle 7 means, observe, angle 7 this ray and this ray, angle between this AD and DC. So student ADC, angle 7 is equal to angle ADC, and angle 8 is equal to, here 8 number angle is angle ABC. So is equal to angle ABC. So students, in this figure total 8 figure is formed. And students, here I discussed all of the angle formed in this given figure. Similar to students, you can write the name of angles in any figure clearly. Now students, proceed in next question, and this is the last question. After that your class will over. So students, proceed in next question. Students, here another question is written. See the adjacent figure and state which of the following statement are true or false. Observe students, see this figure. Carefully watch this figure and write true or false for the following statement. Students, here first number statement, point C is in the interior of angle AOC. Students, here observe angle AOC, that means this angle AOC, this the represent angle AOC, and its range is this, that means point which lies between this angle is called interior. Students, here point C is in the interior of angle. C lies on this ray, and student, the point which lies on the ray arm of the angle, that is called lies on the angle. So students, here this statement is false. This statement is false, not true. Students, in question number 2, here point C is in the interior of angle AOD. Students, observe here angle AOD. This is the range of AOD, and C point lies between the angle AOD. So students, here point C is the interior of angle AOD. This statement is true. T. Now students, in 3 number, point D is in the interior of angle AOC. Here angle AOC, this, and point D, Here students, point D is outside the angle AOC. Angle AOC is this and point D lies outside the angle. So point D is interior of the angle AOC, not. This statement is false. Now students, here 4 number, point B is in the exterior of angle AOD. Angle AOD, and here B lies outside the angle AOD. AOD is this angle and B lies outside this angle AOD. So students, this statement is also here. Point B is an exterior of point AOD. Yes, this statement is true. Now students, proceeding 5 number, point C lies on angle AOB. Point C lies on angle AOB. Yes, lie no. AOB, lies means students fall on the arcs. Here point C is interior of angle AOB. So students, this statement is false. This statement is false. 5 number is false. Students, here in this video I discussed what is angle, how will you write the name of angles, and how will you understand interior, exterior of the angles. So I think all of these points, all of these terms we complete. Students, write the defined term and write all of the important points from this video on your notebook, and also complete your exercise 13A of R.S.Aggarwal. So students, today's class is over. That's all. Thank you.